Ashley Bright here. Happy New Year and Happy Mail. I'm so excited to be starting off the year receiving actually my first two swaps, one like right after the other, but this is from CarinaCrafts and we did a Christmas swap. So yeah, let's just dive right in here and take a look. And I see Mary Day's paper. Okay, so I'm gonna just move this a little bit to the side here and let's go through all the packages. Oh my goodness, look at this wrapping. It's so perfect. This is so cute, the little dots she's added here to the wreath. It's so pretty. Pretty and delicate. I love that. And then, oh, look at these beautiful little rosettes. These are gorgeous. Thank you so much. And then, oh, look, another cute little package, and I see chocolate, yay. This cute little tag, cool, fun. Oh, look at this trim. This trim is beautiful. I've seen this trim a bunch, and I actually don't have any trim like this, so I am going to be saving this. I love this. Thank you so much. And then we've got this one, which it looks like, don't know, but I see, yep, it's like sequins. Okay, I'm not supposed to be looking through it yet, but okay. I'm just like already peeking in my presents to see what everything is. Oh wow, look at this. Wow, this is beautiful. It's like this little house. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty, and it's like, I wonder what's in here. Okay, pretty, pretty, pretty. Thank you. And then we've got, oh, I think this one, oops, I think this one accidentally, oh no, did I open this box upside down? Oh, I think I did. Or, I'm not sure what happened there, but I think this was just flipped over somehow by accident. Okay, then we've got this one. Super cute. And then we've got this little wooden box that I think accidentally got turned over a little. But this, and then we've got this over here. Wow, looks so pretty. Look at this. So adorable. She's wrapped it up with some twine there, and then she's stuffed this up, this little box. This is really, really pretty. Thank you so much. And then we've got this cute little bag. So adorable. Okay, and then we've got tons of fun pink little shred and gold. Okay, cool. So let me clear this off a little bit and take a picture, and let's start opening the presents. Alrighty, I am ready to open up some packages. So let's just dive in here. I'll go start with this one. I feel bad opening like this, like perfect packaging, so I'm gonna try to open it all really nice and delicately. But in this one, we've got, oh, look how pretty. These are little snowflakes. I'm gonna have so many like Christmas supplies for next year, and she's got these like triple layered and then a cute little heart in the center there. But yeah, I'm gonna have so many supplies for next year because I really didn't, I have a lot of extras from my own stash that I didn't get to, and that'll be like exciting because this year I felt like I had to buy everything because I didn't have really anything on hand, but next year I'll have plenty to work with. Look how cute this bag is. I'm just noticing all the like little cute animals on it. This little bear, joyful, holy night. Oh, so cute. Oh, look at the little hedgehog. That's adorable. Okay, so I'm gonna see what's in here, and this is filled with like the prettiest little like gold balls and shred. So pretty. I will be saving all of that. And then look, she's made me this like little, I don't even know what you call this, but there's like a bunch of different sequins in this like little container here. Wow, so pretty. This pink one is like beautiful. It's got these like glittery specks in it. Oh my goodness, I don't have anything like any of these. So thank you so much. Wow, this is beautiful. I'm gonna open up these rosettes because I want to see these without the packaging, up close and personal. These are so pretty. Look, she's got these like layered as well. She's got a snowflake here too, this little tool and the rosette. And these rosettes are like super, super, super gorgeous. And then she's put layers of chipboard and ribbon and twine. So pretty. Thank you for that. Let's go into this one. In this pretty pink bag. And what is in here? Oh my goodness. I love it. It's so cute. This is little reindeer. How adorable is this? Oh my goodness. So cute. This little reindeer ornament. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Thank you. Wow, this is adorable. Maybe I could put a little heart on her and just call it Valentine's decor too, so I can leave it up now as well, because this is so cute. Oh, that is adorable. Okay, and then I'm gonna go actually into this brown bag. This bag is super cute, by the way. So adorable and mini. And what's in here? Oh, she's gifted me a stamp. Okay, cool. It's this little wreath stamp, which that is awesome. I don't have that many stamps, so thank you so much for this. And then let's open this one up. Let's see. How can I open this without having to cut anything? Is that possible? I'm not sure. I have to cut this one. Ooh. Oh wow, look at these. So these are some stickers, but they're like little like puffy cards. That is so pretty. Wow, so pretty. Look at this girl decorating the tree. So much detail in these little stickers. I love these. Thank you so much. Again, adding to my Christmas stash for next year. So excited about that. Okay, and then let's go into this package. I love how you like wrapped up this tag multiple times with this twine. It's such like a nice little delicate touch. It's so pretty. Okay, and then in here, we've got some chocolate. Thank you for that. Oh, and then some cocoa, some hot cocoa. But it's like with this cute little Santa on it. That's adorable. Thank you so much. Okay, let's open this little house guy up. I want to see what's going on here. So, open this like this. I can't tell if this is like, if there's, oh yeah, there is something in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. So, wow. First of all, let's take some time to like admire how she's like decorated this box. I don't even know how she did this part, but that is so pretty. And then she's done this like little roof with, I'm guessing she used a die for this. And then it triple layered some trees and stitched on these, which that is so much detail. Thank you for that. And the little gold stitching here on the side too is beautiful. But then that is like amazing that this thing opens up. And she's gifted me all these like cute little like dimensional things to play with, which that is so fun because I don't really have that much like dimensional stuff to add to my projects. Oh my goodness, there's a lot in here. Wow, yay, thank you so much. This is actually so useful and helpful because I don't have really anything like this. Look at this little gingerbread man. So cute. And then she's got these like little wreaths and stuff. Oops. And then stars. Oh, and then charms. Oh, yay, charms. I have like no charms. So thank you so much for the little charms. And then there's these little bells. And this little reindeer guy. Some trees. Some more trees. And then this little light. So cute. Candy cane, stars. So pretty. Thank you so much for all of these little goodies. I really appreciate that. Okay, so then last but not least, let me move these kind of to the side here, but keep that in view because they're all pretty. Look at all this fun shred. Okay, so last but not least, let's go into this little like box thing, this little curtain thing. It's so cute. I love it. And then let's go in here. She's got lots of handmade embellishments in here. Super, super pretty. Thank you so much. Look at all the layering on these. That is so awesome. And we've got a couple different sizes, it looks like. Thank you so much for that. And some more of the trees, oh, that she's used to decorate the house with. That is awesome. Thank you. Oh, these are so cute. I love transparency in vellum, and she's made little like vellum envelopes. That is adorable. I absolutely love these. It's so like delicate and soft, and I love these. These are beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we've got one little thing in here. Oh, cool. So she's decorated this little stand here with a couple little mini trees and this little reindeer, some like little trim that she's got, and then she's gifted me some trim, which is awesome, and some ribbon. That is so pretty. Thank you so much. And this color, I don't have anything like that. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate everything. Oh my goodness, this has been a second Christmas for me. This is awesome. And there's been so many fun things that I get to play with. So thank you so much, Carina, for swapping with me, and thank you for all the time you took to make all these like perfectly wrapped little goodies. And yeah, that is everything for me. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.